The Bose Ultra Open Earbuds are a revolutionary step forward in wireless audio, designed for users who want premium sound without losing awareness of their surroundings. Unlike traditional in-ear or noise-canceling earbuds, these innovative clip-on earbuds feature an open-ear design that lets you enjoy music while staying fully connected to the world around you. At the heart of these earbuds is Bose Open Audio technology, which delivers rich, immersive sound directly to your ears without sealing them off. This means you can listen to your favorite music, podcasts, or calls while still hearing important environmental sounds like traffic, conversations, or announcements, making them perfect for commuting, outdoor activities, or multitasking. The unique clip-on ear cuff design sets these earbuds apart from anything else on the market. Instead of sitting inside your ear canal, they gently wrap around the outer ear, providing a secure yet lightweight fit. The flexible silicone hinge ensures all-day comfort, and the ergonomic design makes them ideal for users who find traditional earbuds uncomfortable or fatiguing over long periods. Despite their open design, the earbuds deliver surprisingly private and immersive audio. With Bose Immersive Audio, sound feels more spacious and natural, creating a wider soundstage that enhances music, movies, and calls. While they don't offer active noise cancellation, they excel in situations where awareness is essential, such as running, cycling, or working in shared spaces. Battery performance is reliable, offering up to 7 hours of continuous playback on a single charge, with additional power from the charging case for extended use. The standby capability can stretch up to 48 hours, ensuring your earbuds are ready whenever you need them. These earbuds are also built for everyday durability with an IPX4 water resistance rating, protecting against sweat and light splashes. Whether you're working out or caught in light rain, they're designed to keep up with your active lifestyle. Connectivity is seamless with Bluetooth multipoint, allowing you to connect to 2 devices simultaneously, perfect for switching between your phone and laptop without interruption. The intuitive button controls make it easy to manage music, calls, and volume on the go. Real-world feedback highlights their comfort and unique listening experience. Many users appreciate the ability to stay aware while enjoying audio, especially during daily activities like walking or working. However, due to the open design, sound isolation is limited, making them less ideal for noisy environments. Overall, the Bose Ultra Open Earbuds are perfect for those who prioritize comfort, situational awareness, and innovative design. They offer a refreshing alternative to traditional earbuds, delivering high-quality sound in a way that keeps you connected to your surroundings at all times.